In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rent a house on Zillow. Whether you're a first-time renter or just new to using Zillow, these steps will help you successfully navigate the platform and find your next home. Firstly, let's start by visiting the Zillow website. Simply go to Zillow.com. Once you're there, it's crucial to ensure that you're signed in to your account. Signing in allows you to save your searches and favorite properties, making your house hunt much more convenient. Now that you're signed in, focus your attention on the top menu bar and click on Rent. This will direct you to the rental section of Zillow, where you'll find a wide range of properties available for lease. Next, to tailor your search, click on Home Type. This setting allows you to filter the types of rentals you're interested in. In the Home Type menu, start by deselecting all options. This will clear any previous preferences might have been set, giving you a clean slate to work from. Now, specifically select Houses to filter only for rental house listings. Doing this ensures you're only viewing properties that suit your needs. After you've made your selection, click Apply to update the listings according to your preferences. At this point, you should see a listing of houses available for rent. This list provides comprehensive details for each property, including images, location, price, and a brief description. It's always a good idea to take your time and navigate through these options slowly so you can make a well-informed decision about which houses appeal to you the most. Once you find a property you're interested in, you can request a tour directly through Zillow. Simply click the Request a Tour button. Doing so will prompt you to fill in some requested information. It's important to provide accurate and thorough details here to facilitate the tour scheduling process. Next, craft a suitable message to accompany your request. Politeness and clarity can make a significant difference in how your request is received. After reviewing your message, click Send Tour Request. This will send your request to the property management or owner. If you're keen to proceed further, you can also directly request to apply for the property. Just like with the tour request, you'll need to fill in the necessary details.